Hi folks, in this video, I'm going to talk about QuickBooks Online, the pricing of the services, and how to get the best possible discount for your new QuickBooks Online account. If you go to QuickBooks.com or search QuickBooks in Google, and you go straight to the QuickBooks website, when you go into the pricing page, you will notice that there are 4 versions of QuickBooks Online: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. You want to go through all the feature lists to make sure that you pick the right one for your business. If you're not sure which one to get, go into the comments below, ask your questions. I'll do my best to try to recommend you the right version. Anyway, before you buy it, you're going to notice that the regular price is in small letters, is stricken out, and then you see half price right under. That's because for most cases, especially in the US, you will get a 50% discount for 3 months if you sign up immediately. Most of the year, that's going to be the offer that's available. There's a little toggle in the top that says free trial 30 days. If you switch it so you don't have to put a credit card up front, you may lose the ability to get that discount. Anyway, I am a reseller and an affiliate marketer for Intuit, and for people that create accounts with QuickBooks after watching my videos, they actually get a better deal. Now, I'll put a link in the description below so you get to the landing page so you can get the discount that I can offer as a reseller. And the way it is, it's basically the same versions. You're going to buy it through QuickBooks. It's through them directly, not through me. It's just an affiliate link. You are going to notice that the price is stated in the top, the regular price, and then the discounted price is stated in the bottom, but the discount is for 12 months. And the discount is not 50%, it's 30%. So you get to choose. If you go straight to QuickBooks, you get 50% for the first 3 months, versus if you go through my link, you get 30% for 12 months. You do the math. The really cool thing about my link is you can get a 30-day free trial without a credit card and then get the 30% off as well. So you can try it, you can test it without having to commit to a credit card, and that discount is secure. Another really cool thing is when you purchase the QuickBooks Online subscription, when you add payroll to it, you also get at least 30% discount in payroll for the first 6 months. And if you get the elite and premium version of payroll, you get 50% for the first 6 months. So you also get a pretty good deal there. Now, one more thing I'll add, I'll just kind of throw it in there. If you're converting from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, this is a secret deal. This is not, you're not going to be able to click on it anywhere. You actually will sign up with the regular 30% discount for 12 months. You convert your QuickBooks Desktop data to online. Then you can email me with your QuickBooks Desktop license number, and I can request Intuit to override the price for a 50% discount for 12 months. So for people converting from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, they get the best possible deal. For people starting with QuickBooks in the QuickBooks world, brand new, they get a 30% for 12 months. And if you don't use my link, you might get 50% for 3 months directly through Intuit. Anyway, this only works for new accounts or for any accounts that are currently on free trial that haven't been more than 30 days old. And if you have any issues with this, doesn't work out for you, or for whatever reason, just email me. I'll put my email down here, and I'll work with someone with QuickBooks to try to help you get that sorted out. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Set up your new QuickBooks Online account to support the channel, and click on one of the cards here where you can see a full tutorial on how to use QuickBooks. It's a full 1 hour tutorial, how to use QuickBooks, so you can learn how to get it up and running the right way. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one.